Hey everybody, got a new project again. Show you what we got. A lot of my old subscribers will remember this thing. This was the old MTD mower we repowered with a Predator. Got a 13 horse in it. Let me set this down. But we put a 13 horse in this, had a junky 016 Briggs in it. And I also on the back had a homemade finish mower that had its own engine on it, and it worked off this 3-point like a regular tractor. It's pretty slick. And what we're going to do today, I sold this thing to a good buddy of mine. He wanted it for set up for his garden and everything, and he's going to run it off 6.5 horse, which I think it'll do it just fine. And never even knew this was on here. And he's going to put a 6.5 Predator in it. And I wanted the motor, so I kept the motor and sold it to him without the motor in it. And he got this and a little brush hog deal I made for it, a little finish mower. And these are pretty simple. There's just this thing looks like it's set for 10 years, but it ain't. It's only set about a year. Kind of shame on me, but anyway. You just put the shaft right into this U-joint. Pretty easy to couple up with anything you want. It's 1 inch, and the 6.5 Predator's got a 3/4 inch shaft, but I did order him an adapter for it to go from a 1 inch down to a 3/4. It's just a sleeve that goes over that 3/4 inch shaft and bumps it up to a 1 inch, and it'll slide right in there. You'll probably have to make some new motor mounts. So it's not getting scrapped or anything, it's just getting revived. Someone more interest in it. He really wanted it, so I really wanted the motor, so I kept the motor, and that's a pretty good deal. But I'll get this loose, and I'll bring you back when we get ready to pull this engine and kind of show you some more of it and kind of what the deal is, where it's going. So when we get to that point, I'll turn the camera back on. You can show me. I'll show you pulling it out and everything, and I ain't gonna bore you with taking the 4 bolts out and the little ignition switch and 1 nut. So I'll be back here in just a second. So. See you in a bit. All right, everybody. Should come out, but we know how that works. So hopefully, it won't be too bad. There we go. Come on. Got it. Well, luckily, that was easier than I expected. Alright, good deal. Well, she's out. Luckily that shaft come off easier than I thought. I sprayed some PB Blaster on it. But these are pretty simple. As far as I'm concerned, they all should have been built this way, where the shaft goes in right into a U-joint, and you can put anything you want in it. Most of them, the shaft comes out the front of the mower, and then they got a round flange that bolts to the front of this motor, you know. I like that design a lot better personally. So, but it's out, stripped, ready to go. Like I said, he's gonna put a 6.5 in it, and I think it'll do it just fine. Hold on, someone always wants to call when you want to make a video. Anyway, I'll call him back. But like I said, he's gonna put his 6.5 on it, but she's leaving here. And he's got some garden implements and stuff he's going to put on there. And one more project down. I've got to clean my shop out. Tractor parts everywhere. Video coming soon on that project. I just got it out of here. Upcoming next is Chuck Wagon UTV. I don't know. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to put the boat tank didn't turn out great like I thought. It's a little iffy. I'm going to put one of the vacuum pulse pumps on it. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that video. Let me know. Comment below. And the main reason I made this video, it ain't really much, but it's simple. But to let everybody know that was interested in this, it's leaving the channel. Now that ain't to say we can't go see an update when he gets around to it. But he's kind of like me. He ain't no big hurry, and he works on the road a lot. So. By the way, Dow, your mower's ready. Motor's off, but he'll get to it. But comment below on that too if you guys want to see how this turns out with the 6.5, and we can go up there and record it and see what it's like. So I guess that's it. This wasn't much of a video. You can see my breath. I'm sure it's cold out here, but I wanted to get this done so I can get it to him, and it's done. So I'm gonna get it out of here. Got a tractor video coming up. I just finished in here, project I was showing you. So stay tuned for that. And comment below on the chuck wagon. Let me know if you want to see the vacuum pulse pump installation on that. So, I guess that's about all I'm going to make on this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's absolutely free. It don't cost nothing. And if you do, hit that bell and you get notified of every video like this, all my builds, all the projects, and all the upcoming videos. So I guess that's it. So as always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.